Today I'm gonna be cleaning some Aunt Bessie's premium hand clean pork chitterlings. It says just rinse, cook, and enjoy. I've already started cleaning them. This is what I got so far. These here have been cleaned. Before I started cleaning them, I cleaned my sink. Made sure I got my work area clean, sanitized. So my work area is clean and sanitized. You always want to make sure you do that before you do any prep work. And so this is what I have so far. The lining of the chitterling. This is the lining. It says just rinse, cook, and enjoy, but you actually have to remove this lining as well. Now the bag chitterlings usually are pretty clean, but they still have this lining on them. So it's really important that you remove that before you cook them. Don't follow the directions. Just rinse, cook, and enjoy. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to remove the lining from the chitlin. I'm gonna cover my sinkhole up. These are the chitterlings that have not been cleaned. And what I like to do is I like to run some cold water, a little cold water, while I clean them. It usually helps to remove the lining from the chitterling. If you run a little cold water over it while removing the lining, I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. Hold on. Okay. Now, these, like I said, have not been cleaned yet. They still have the lining on. So just what you want to do, you want to cut it down the middle and make it easier to remove the lining. Once you cut it, you want to find the corner of it and you want to peel it. You want to get your corner of it and find the lining and peel it away. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get to, but eventually you'll get it. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble on this side. I need to, as you can see, it's coming, but I need to get a better grip, get a better angle, get a better handle on it. Okay, you can see the lining that I'm pulling away from it. That's the actual lining of the stomach. That's what we want to get rid of. This clear, filmy looking stuff. That's what we trying to get rid of. This is when the chitlin has actually been cleaned, when this lining has been removed. What you want to do, you want to work all the way to every corner of it. You want to go to every corner of the chitlin. You want to be very thorough in removing this lining. Because this is actually the stomach of the pig. And so everything has come into contact with this lining. That's why it's really important that you remove it. So this is the chitlin when it's clean, right here. As you can see, you can see straight through it. That's how you know it's been cleaned. And this is the actual lining. This is what you remove, the filmy looking stuff. So what I do is I toss this filmy looking stuff into a bag, waste bag. And my chitterling, I like to, if it's kind of big, I like to just cut it in half, like that. And then I just put it with the rest of my chitlins over here. Okay, and same process. You just grab it, just keep going. You want to grab it, and you want to cut it down the middle. You want to cut it down. Cut it down, rinse it off really well. Just find you a corner. Just find you a corner. And I like to hold it under the running water. It just makes it a little easier for the lining to come off. You can see it's just, you're just pulling it away. It just pulls away. I love chitlins. It's something that I grew up on. I loved it so much that I wanted to know how to make them myself. And so that's what I did. I learned how to do it. Really nothing to it. You know, it's really simple. There we go. The chitlin is, like I said, you see straight through it. Make sure you can do it. Like I said, I like to cut it. And I really don't like to eat everybody's chitlins because everybody doesn't do this. Everybody doesn't take the time to remove this lining. I'm not saying that people don't clean their chitlins. I'm saying that people don't clean them thoroughly. I'll say that. Cleaning chitlins is more than just making sure it doesn't have any waste on them. It's actually removing the waste and the lining. So there's really no shortcut to it. People try to take shortcuts. But with this, there's really no shortcut if you want it done, if you want it the right way, if you want it how it's supposed to be. Again, this is the lining that I just removed. As you can see, it's all filmy looking. that's what we discard. We discard that. This is our actual chitterling. This is our actual chitterling. As you can see, thoroughly clean. You can see through it. Like I said, I like to cut mine. I like to cut mine when they're a little big. I like to cut them. You can get me in the video, get my sitting back. See, back up a little bit. Back up a little bit, see if you can get me in my face and the thing, the whole thing. So yeah, so what I'm doing, guys, is I'm cleaning the chitlins. Like I said, just basically cleaning these chitlins, making sure this lining is removed.